guys, my name is #SlimeExpert and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic slime. And by the way, you don't need to use Elmer's glue. So first of all, you are going to need to get your PVA glue. I know, it does sound like pig's guts. Come on, pig's guts. Yep. Yeah. Ugh, this is horrible. Oh, just put it up here. And then you're going to need your shaving foam. Don't forget to shake it, but I've already shaked it. Oh my god, there, that's enough. Smell it, guys. I think it's just a runny consistency. So now you're going to need your Optrex acid. Seriously? Look at this pig's yellow Optrex. Oh my god. That does not turn out to... It's cold. Oh my god. Not go out to what I was planning. Ugh, yuck. It feels like pig's guts. Ugh. Ugh. La, la, la. So my post notifications is MATT, #MATT. He loves my videos. And LEE loves my slime that I make. And ROSS loves my slime recipes. So please give me a huge like and subscribe and turn the bell notifications on in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? Please comment down below that you did it. And goodbye. See you next time.